Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is me, Neetu Gupta. Today I am going to teach you subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing in mathematics. But before starting our topic, please subscribe our school channel, St. Xavier's School Hardoi. And if you like the video, please like and share it. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notification. Welcome to math class, my dear students. My dear students, today's topic is subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing. So my dear student, before moving our topic, first I want to tell you the meaning of borrowing. What is borrowing? Can you tell me what are these? These are toffees. Yes, you all like toffees very much, I know. Yes, you all like. So students, tell me how many toffees are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my dear students, how many toffees are there? There are 9 toffees. So for example, I am telling you there are 9 toffees. And students, I ask you to give me 11 toffees. I say to give me 11 toffees. So what you will do? There are 9 toffees. How many toffees are less? What we will do? First we subtract 9 from 11. So what is the answer? 2. 2 toffees are less. So what you will do? Either you go to market to purchase 2 toffee for me, either you ask to your family members or your friend to give you 2 toffees. Then what you will do? 9 toffees are here and 2 toffee more. Then you give me 11 toffees. So my dear students, what is borrowing? Borrowing means to take something from somebody. When we are taking something from somebody, it is called borrowing, or we can say in Hindi, udhar lena. Now students, I am going to tell you how we do subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing. You can see here is a sum and here are the steps. So we will follow these steps to solve this sum. So as we are doing in simple subtraction, we will follow the rule first. First you can see here we have to subtract 18 from 52. So in step 1 we have to subtract digit at ones place. So you can see here it is 2 ones and here it is 8 ones. So student, tell me, it is possible to subtract 8 ones from 2 ones? It is possible? No, it is not possible, because 8 ones is greater and 2 ones is smaller. So we cannot subtract 8 ones from 2 ones. So what we have to do? We will borrow 1 10 from 5 tens. So you can see here it is 5 tens and we will borrow 1 10 from 5 tens. So student, when we borrow 1 10 from 5 tens, then it will become 4 and 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. So 10 plus 2 is equal to, here it will be 12. So student, now we will subtract digit at ones place. So we will subtract 8 from 12. So first we will draw 12 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we have to subtract 8. So how many lines we will cut? We will cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So student, how many lines are left? 4 lines are left. So we will write 4 in ones column. Now second step, we have to subtract the digit at tens place. So at tens place, what is there? 4 and 1. So we will subtract 1 from 4. So 4 lines we draw first, then we have to subtract 1. We will cut 1 line. How many lines are left? 3. So we will write 3 at tens place. So student, in this way, when we subtract 18 from 52, so our answer will be 34. Now students, here one more example I am taking to explain you. You can see here we have to subtract 18 from 81. So what we will do first? We will subtract digit at ones place first. So you can see here it is 1 1 and here 8 ones. So students, it is possible to subtract 8 ones from 1 1 ones. Possible? No, it is not possible, because 8 ones is greater than 1 1. So it is not possible to subtract. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 10 from 8 tens. So we will borrow 1 10. So here it will be 7 tens and here we will borrow 1 10, and 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So 11 will be there. So here we will subtract 8 from 11. Now we will subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have to subtract 8 from 11. So we will minus 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many lines are left? 3 lines. So we will write 3 in ones column. Now second step, we have to subtract the digit at tens place. So we have to subtract 1 from 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have to subtract 1. We cut 1 line. Now how many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 in tens column. So student, when we subtract 18 from 81, so our answer is 63. Now students, it's time for practice. Here 3 answers are given and you have to tick the correct option. Now students, here's time for practice and activity. You will solve this sum. Okay, ready all of you? Now start. First Akanksha, you come and solve this sum. Here we have to subtract 16 from 32. So what we will do first? Tell me. Yes, very good. First we will subtract the digit at ones place. Now tell me. Here it is 2 and here it is 6. So student, it is possible to subtract 6 ones from 2 ones. No, it is not possible. So what we will do first? You will borrow 1 from 3 tens. 1 10 from 3 tens. Yes, very good. Then when you take 1 10 from 3 tens, what will be left? 2 tens. Very good. And here 2 ones and 10 ones. What will be? 12 ones. Now students, what you will do? You will subtract 6 from 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We will subtract 6. 6 lines we will cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how many lines are left? 6 lines are left. So we will write 6 at ones column. Now second step, what we will do? We will subtract the digit at tens place. Very good. Now here we have to subtract 1 from 2. Ready? 2. We have to subtract 1. We will cut 1 line. Now what left? 1. So student, when we subtract 16 from 32, what is our answer? Our answer is 16. Very good. Now one more sum I am taking here. Pratyush, you solve this sum. Come here and solve this sum. Here we have to subtract 37 from 60. How we will do it? Tell me. First we will subtract the digit at ones place. Yes, very good. Now here 0 ones is there and here 7 ones is there. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 10 from 6 tens. So we will borrow 1 10 from 6 tens. So here 5 tens will be left and here 1 10 we have borrowed. So 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. So here it will be 10. So here we subtract 7 from 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how many lines are left? 3 lines. So we write 3 in ones column. Now, second step, we have to subtract the digit at tens place. Now, students, what we will do? We will subtract the digit at tens place. Now, tens place, 5 tens and 3 tens. So we have to subtract 3 tens from 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to subtract 3. How many lines are left? 2. So we will write 2 in tens column. So student, when we subtract 37 from 60, so our answer is 23. Very good all of you. Thank you. I hope you like today's class. Bye bye. See you soon my dear students.